It's clear that there's been a huge amount of innovation in payments, and that's clearly a trend that's not going away. There's more and more technology and great ideas coming into this industry from not just traditional retail, but from outside retail as well. So it's an incredibly exciting time. And I think what that's going to mean for retailers is that how can they make payments much more integrated into the customer experience? Because as you know, it's much more about the customer. And payments has tended to be a kind of interruption in the good experience that the customer's having. So that's the future, is how can we make payments much more integrated into the customer experience. I think that the people who support cash are still slightly in denial about the future of cash. There's no question that with contactless the ceiling will rise and trust will improve and security will improve. So there's no question that we're going to see more and more payments through mobile devices, and there simply isn't a need for cash. And certainly people of a certain age don't carry very much cash, and they will assume they can do everything through their mobile device. It's not always about speed with payments, it's really about the convenience of it. And clearly, mobile enables retailers to offer more choices. So I don't think that the kind of traditional checkout will necessarily disappear. It's about offering options around that for certain types of customers who want to get in and get out quickly. But then there are other kinds of customers who still want to interact with staff, and then payments is part of that process. Technology has become quite a complex business, where once it was quite simple. And technology's job should be to make it much simpler. But the truth is that, in a sense, the technology companies have gone along with that and made it more complex themselves. And I think in the future, retailers will look at their primary vendors, say they will look at Verifone and see what kinds of companies they're working with, so that they can, with their partners, create the right kinds of solutions, rather than putting the burden onto the retailers who have to go to lots and lots of different companies to get a solution. So partnerships is absolutely key to how IT and solutions will be delivered in the future. I mean, Verifone is an innovator, as it always has been, and I certainly look forward to more innovations coming from the company, and also the way that they partner, I think, is very interesting, because partnerships is absolutely key in the future to how retailers can get the right kinds of solutions.